Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we delve into the remarkable journey of Ali Abdaal, a YouTuber who transformed his channel from humble beginnings to $1 million business empire. Ali Abdaal's rise to YouTube stardom is a testament to his dedication, strategic thinking, and the unwavering pursuit of his passion. In this video, we will explore the key insights and strategies that led Ali to become one of the most influential figures in the YouTube and productivity space. Ali's journey began with just 15,000 subscribers, yet it was clear from the outset that he possessed an innate ability to captivate and educate his audience. His unique combinations of skills, including his background in medicine, proficiency in test-taking, and passion for productivity set him apart. But what truly distinguishes Ali from the rest is his understanding of the YouTube ecosystem. He recognized early on that YouTube offered various avenues for monetization beyond traditional ad revenue. Ali's entrepreneurial spirit led him to explore opportunities like events, communities, products, sponsorships, consulting, and even paywalls. However, Ali's success story carries a valuable lesson: the importance of having an unfair advantage. Many successful YouTubers possess unique qualities or expertise that differentiate them in a crowded platform. For Ali, it was a blend of skills and experiences that he leveraged to skyrocket his growth. Ali's approach can be likened to constructing an unfair advantage diagram. He identified where his unique skill sets overlap, creating a blend that was distinctly his own. This approach allowed him to stand out in a competitive landscape. Ali's unfair advantage diagram included a background in medicine, test-taking prowess, productivity insights, and teaching skills. Moreover, his affiliation with Cambridge University provided a strong branding element, and his financial ability to invest in quality equipment ensured that his videos stood out from the start. Ali's insight emphasized that finding your own unfair advantages is crucial on the path to YouTube success. You don't need to be one-dimensional expert, rather, embrace your unique blend of talents and experiences. Ali further advises creators to navigate their YouTube journey through three distinct levels: get going, get good, and get smart. At the get going stage, aspiring YouTubers should focus on taking action and creating content without overthinking. Overcoming emotional hurdles and putting your work out there is vital in building a foundation. Moving to the get good stage, creators should aim to reach a point where they no longer cringe at their own content. This internal satisfaction is a key indicator. As traction slowly builds, the decision arises: is YouTube a hobby or a serious business venture? Those who choose the business path enter the Get Smart stage. This phase involves applying business strategy, defining your niche, understanding your target audience, crafting a unique value proposition, and conducting competitor analysis. Ali emphasized that niching down can be a game changer. While not everyone can achieve the monumental success of mega YouTubers, narrowing your focus can lead to a dedicated audience willing to pay for your specialized skills or knowledge. In conclusion, Ali Abdaal's journey from 15,000 subscribers to $1 million YouTube business is a testament to the power of leveraging your unique qualities, finding your niche, and applying strategic thinking. If you're embarking on your YouTube journey, remember to follow Ali's three-level approach: get going, get good, and get smart. In our next video, I'll be showing you how Ali Abdaal was able to find his niche. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.